If you're wondering what's going on in the residential real estate market in Spokane, Washington, then this video is for you. I'm Abby with Coldwell Banker Tomlinson, and I'm here today to share the facts about the Spokane residential real estate market. So when I talk about the Spokane market, I'm talking about Spokane County, under 1 acre, and all residential. So let's get going. Let's talk about the easiest one to digest, which is average sales price. So average sales price year over year is still up 18%. So we are right at 483,000. Month to month though, we're only up about 5%. But we are still up from April to May in the average sales price. So current listing inventory, so that means today, if I were to look on the MLS and see what is available for me to show, we are at 449 listings. So that is up 22% from the prior month, which means there is more inventory to see. It is up 73% from last May. So last May we had a very big lull in the market of listings. There was not a lot of listings to see, and so up 73% is a large jump, but it is because last May was just a little bit of a lull in the market. So let's talk about the review mirror. How many units have closed so far this year? So far this year we've had 2,581 listings sell, which is actually down 10% from the prior year. So we have had less inventory close year to date than we had last year, about 10% down. So let's just talk about a couple fun facts of the market. If you're in the market over $1 million in Spokane County, last year in 2021, we only had 8 properties close through May that were over $1 million. This year, we have had 25 properties sell year to date over $1 million. So some of that comes with price increasing, getting over that $1 million mark, and some of it comes because of the move-up buyer, the buyers that are under $1 million that have the equity in their home now, and they buy over that $1 million price point. Another fun fact is there is 18% more units for sale in May than there was in April. So again, with that current listing inventory, we are sitting at more inventory, which means in the next coming months, the statistics of like days on market, you are going to see those start to increase. So for buyers, this is good news. You have time to look at listings. You're not super rushed, to see something today, tomorrow. You might have a chance to look at 3 or 4 homes before you put in an offer. So this is good news for buyers, and for sellers, it's still a great seller's market. And so it's just that we are experiencing a little bit more days on market. Things are taking a little bit longer to sell, but the stats right now show that things are still selling, and they still are selling for year over year and month over month increases. So bottom line, how is the residential real estate market in Spokane? Well, it really depends. Are you a buyer? Are you a seller? Are you an investor? Do you need to sell your house to buy? Are you a first-time buyer? Do you need closing costs? Every situation is unique, and there is not a one-size-fits-all answer to how is the market. So if you are curious about your current situation, please reach out to me today. We can talk about your homeownership goals, and I can help dissect the market, educate you on the process so that you can make an informed decision.